Hey there, Fauna here. We're going to talk about interactive and informative books. These books are so great. These are Lift the Flap books. They give you things. Can you guess who goes snap snap in the red car? And your child can lift the flap, find out who's behind the red train car. There are so many different flaps. We can see the penguins and help them to catch the fish that match their bow ties. So there's a gray fish over here. It doesn't go to this guy, or this guy. The gray one is over here. So his gray fish is right over there. So it's a little fun because they can go ahead and they can look to see where each one of them match to. You have busy town. Lift the flaps to find the blue car. There's the blue car, the orange car, a black car. We also give them more information on how mixing colors and what colors get made. From blue and yellow here, the monkeys mix it and we get green. We get red and yellow, we get orange, and when you mix blue, red, green, and yellow, we make brown. So these books are really fun. And then at the back we have the animals. Can't remember where they have left their things in the house. Can you help them find it? And help the dog find his blue spotted hat. So there's his blue spotted hat. We can open the windows and see who's inside. Then we also have Lift the Flap books that are great for our young children in school who are just learning how to add and subtract. They are fun because they can go ahead and they can lift the flap and they can count the numbers. They can see 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then they can count the 3 little snails there. They can see how many, if they load green boxes, 4 green boxes and 2 yellow, they will get 6 boxes altogether where they're loaded. Can answer all the questions. So count the flowers in each of the brown pots. So there's 8 tulips in this one. We have 2 flowers in this one, which gives us 10 flowers. It goes through. We have ones at the market where they can help to count bugs and the birds. And then at the back we have Casey's Feast. And how many will be left after Casey eats each of them. So 2 radishes, 3 minus 2 equals 1. It goes all the way through. And then we have more that they can solve and they can do it on their own. So if they can figure out A, there's 1 lion plus 2 lions equals how many. And at the bottom of the page, it has the answers. Then we have more informative books for our children who have more of an interest and are able to either read on their own or just have an interest in under the sea life and they want to know what goes on. So we have information about dolphins, and some have double flaps where they can get more information. We have information even about our scary predators and their teeth. And then we have other ones, how they are able to blend in. You can learn more about who is hiding and how they blend in. Like I said, some of these are double flaps. So these are fun. It gives them information about what goes on in the ocean near the beach. The closer to the beach, the sea is shallower. Lots of animals live here and there are plenty of things to eat and the water is warm. So it gives you some information about what you might find closer to the beach. An octopus squirts a cloud of ink liquid, so then you can't see them. It's a defensive mechanism, and then they can see and learn about the ocean. If you have a child who has more of an interest of how things work, seeing inside how things work, this one also has your flaps, so you can read more and they can learn more about the different construction pieces, equipment. They can find out how things go. So for bicycles, they can learn about the bikes, how they used to work, and they can find out about cars and what's inside and how they run. Instruments, we can find out how a pipe organ works, or piano. We have guitars. Water, how things are gone through in our households with the toilet, the faucets and everything, how things are used for our fire trucks, how things work on planes that fly, even things that float like boats, everyday inventions, vacuum, and even how escalators work. So we have things that are at like airports and even in the mall. You can find and see how they work. These are really great books. They're informative. They're also fun because they have the flaps and things for children to interact with.